CAISO is home to the US's biggest battery fleet, and it just got bigger. 2 gigawatts of standalone or co-located battery capacity were added to CAISO's grid in the first half of this year. This chart shows the steady growth in installed capacity from about 4 gigawatts in mid-2023, with the light purple sections representing newly installed capacity. Those two lighter sections on the right show the 2 gigawatts added in the first half of the year. This means CAISO's BESS fleet has 12.4 gigawatts of rated power available for dispatch. And since most batteries in CAISO have 4-hour durations, the fleet's collective energy capacity is around 50 gigawatt hours. The 2 gigawatt build-out that occurred in the first half of this year was driven by large additions. 6 of the new batteries are larger than 200 megawatts, and another 2 are larger than 100 megawatts. In total, CAISO saw 18 new or augmented BESS projects come online between January and July of 2025, and the pace of the build-out is set to accelerate. A further 4.8 gigawatts are due to achieve commercial operation before year-end, led by 9 megasites that together supply 3.6 gigawatts, 3/4 of the oncoming wave. Head to the Modo Energy Terminal to learn all the details of the current and future BESS build-out in CAISO. Thanks for watching.